let's try to actually do an example so that we will see if we are actually understanding this or not. Okay. I'm trying to sketch a right angle triangle here. We just erase this part. Okay, so this is not a right angle triangle if we don't have what? And a right angle 90-degree angle. So this is triangle ABC. The hypotenuse is 5, the opposite is 3. Then they want us to determine BC, that's X, the adjacent. So we can see that this is a right angle triangle, therefore we can use what? Theorem of Pythagoras to determine BC, or the length of BC. I hope that makes sense. You do not use, or you cannot use theorem of Pythagoras in any triangle but right angle triangle. So this is the theorem of Pythagoras. We know that R is what? Is AC. I hope that makes sense. R is AC. You can write it as AC squared. X is BC. Y is AB squared. Then what's the value of AC? It's 5. Then we do the substitution. So it's 5 squared equal to, make sure that you are not equal to, not plus but equal to, not plus but equal to BC. You show the bracket as I'm doing, whether the number is positive or negative. So 25 equal to BC equal plus 9. Then you transpose the 9 to the left, it will change its sign, it will become negative, equals BC squared. Therefore 25 minus 9 is 16, BC squared. Then you put what? A square root. Why? We are eliminating the 2 right here. So the answer is going to be 4 equals BC. So we take this 4 and write it right here. And what you must actually note here is that the 3 and the 4, they make up the hypotenuse, meaning they must not be greater than the AC or the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side. I hope you understood that. So it's very essential. Please like the video. Okay. This is our right angled triangle. Let's say they give us 8 and 7, then they want us to find the hypotenuse R. So it's R squared x squared plus y squared. Then R squared, what is x is 7 squared, y is 8, the opposite squared. Then what is R squared? It's 49 plus 61. 49 plus 61, I'm not sure, I don't have my calculator right here. 60, not 61, 64, sorry. R squared equal to, you can actually use your calculator, but I don't have my calculator here. I don't want to give you incorrect numbers, but we'll just do it manually. 49 plus 64, so 9 plus 4 is going to give us 13, carry 1, it will be 11. So 113, we put what? A square root to get rid of the squared. Then R will be whatever answer that we'll be getting there, but it must be greater than 8 and 7. That means we're calculating what? The hypotenuse. I hope it makes sense. That's very important. So this is what you actually do whenever you are dealing with a right angled triangle. So let me just give you these 2 examples I'm going to really give here. You determine the unknown variables or the unknown sides. Then we call this one x, therefore determine the value of x. It's not x the adjacent. Why? Because where it is actually situated or placed that's not adjacent its hypotenuse. So mind that. I hope it makes sense. So this is a right angle triangle because you can see what, a 90-degree angle. That is what makes it to become a right angled triangle. Okay, then we have this one. We are given x here and 25 and 24. Determine the value of x. Just do this one so that you can see if you are getting the gist of this, you understand it.